Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In the following video, I will guide you to download the MP3 files on Speechify for free. Now, if you are not a premium member but you want to download Speechify MP3 files for free but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the Speechify app on a device. So if you have not installed the Speechify app, you must simply install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that, open the Speechify app. So this is the home page of Speechify, where you will see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as at the very center of the screen. So click on the option of library, or you may click on the option of plus icon if you want to keep a new documents or text file in it. But if you have already scanned the text file, you may simply open the text file, and from here you may simply select the voice which you want to keep in it and click on the option of play to generate the audio files. So after that, click on the option of three dots at the very top right, and here you will see the option of download audio. So that is for the premium member, but if you want to download this audio for free, you may simply swipe from the top right of your device and click on the option of screen recording and make sure that your microphone is on. So after that, click on the option of screen recording, and by doing all of it, you will be able to record this audio file for free on your iPhone from the Speechify. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.